Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're going to delve into the word hair. It's a word that's closely tied to our appearance and personal style. Let's get started. Meaning. Hair is a noun that refers to the fine, thread-like strands that grow from the skin of humans and animals, particularly mammals. Hair serves various functions, including protecting the body, regulating body temperature, and as an element of personal expression and style. Pronunciation. Pronounce hair as her, rhyming with stare. Use in a sentence. 1. She has long, flowing hair that shimmers in the sunlight. 2. Some animals, like lions, have a majestic mane of hair round their necks. Synonyms. For the general sense of hair, there are few synonyms that capture the same concept, but you can use locks, tresses, or strands in certain contexts. Conclusion. Hair is not just a physical feature, but a form of self-expression and personal identity for many people. It comes in a wide range of colors, lengths, and styles, making it an integral part of our individuality. Thanks for joining us, and may your hair be a reflection of your unique personality.